You're alright, my name's Brian Joe, and this is a how-to video. If you've got a broken oven, an electric oven, if the fan is still working in it, you can hear the fan if it's still working. It's probably likely, it's called an element. It's like a light bulb, it's inside there. It heats up, the fan then blows the heat around. Good news if it's the element, they're cheap. All you need is one tool as well, so anyone can do it. All your DIY mums, DIY dads, DIY anybody, bohos, yummy mummies, whoever, you've probably got this one tool. That is Phillips head. Everyone, get one. Go out, big borrow still. Do what you got to do is get one of them. That's all you need. And the next thing, with electric ovens, they're all pretty much generic, which means you can buy anything and it usually works for it. Doesn't matter if they're big flash, whatever. So you need an element thing. And they're going to look like this. You probably ain't going to see one of them before, because I ain't seen one of them before. And if you can see, just in there, that cut, that's the bulb there, that was burst, broke, whatever. Like these, you just leave them on. Try to heat up the house, whatever you got to do, heat up your home, you know what I mean. And they bust. So you just change it, it's just a light bulb. But that light bulb will probably cost you about 80 quid, call that. £60 labour, and then they'll probably double the thing, so that probably cost about 17 quid, will now cost about 40 quid. So you're looking upwards to nearly 200 quid. This is a how to save you 200 quid. Plus, it's great to know this stuff, man. You just feel more empowered if you know it. But if something breaks down in your gaff, you can fix it, no bother. You don't have to be waiting on some geezer to come out and fix it for you. And you're in his pocket. Yeah, I'm stuck with the traffic light, don't worry, I'll be there, whatever. No, mate, I'm going to do it myself. I don't need nothing. I don't need nothing for you. Do it. Right, I'm going to show you how to do it. Be bold, be brave. Because some of the parts in it look a little bit, you know, is that going to blow my ear off or something? You know what I'm saying? So, come with me and we'll show it and we'll do it, alright? My name's Brian Joe, like and subscribe, and I hope this helps you, save you a few quid. But it'll save you a peace of mind as well, alright? Give it a go. So here we got an electric oven. So number one, what you want to do, you've got the cooker switch, so you want to turn that off. You can turn the mains off if you feel safer that way as well. So the problem is, it's in the oven itself, so get yourself some good lighting because it's dark and it's horrible in here. So as you can see there, that is the fan. And if your fan is still making noise, that is good news. That means it works. What we're looking at here is, like I said, is that element, the ring thing is behind this. So what you've got a screw, you see there on the right hand side, and then again left hand side. So you've got two screws, we want to unscrew them. Simple as that. So what we're going to do, screws over here, take that one out, take that one out. Unscrew, keep the screw. That's the second one. Take it off. There you go. That is the element there. Here you've got the element here. So we've got two screws here. 1, 2, again, Phillips head. That's one out. Need a little bit of force, and that's the second one out. Right, what you do now, you can see it pulls off and it comes out a bit. There you can see the two electrical wires. You can see that. So what you got here two electrical things on the side here. So basically what they are, it clips, they clip in. So you clip them out, just pull on them lightly, okay? I'll show you now how to do it. Don't be intimidated by it. All electrics off and all that stuff. So it comes out like that. So you can see there, two clips, 1 and 2. Simple as, yeah. So as you can see here, look at that. That's the light bulb there, all snapped and burnt. So what you want to get the new one off Amazon like that. Same thing. And then you're going to reattach it. So like I said, you've got these two things. And if you can see my hand here, that's them. They're two little, they're like pouches. You just slip them in. Yeah, it's a bit awkward. Like I said, don't get intimidated by it. It's a bit like being a mechanic in a car, I'm not going to lie. But it's okay. Slip in. It slips in. The other one just slips in like that. Oh, slip in nice. So there you go. And then you just... So once you put the new one on, you push them back in. There's a little pocket you push it back into. So push it back in. And you want to sit it above the fan. So that's where you get your screws again. So you got your 1, 2 screws. So once you go in, find it. Don't worry, it is a bit of a tricky job, I'm not going to lie, but it's very doable. Trust me, the money you save, it's going to be well worth it. All you need to do is just get the one in to brace it. That one's in solid. Let's get this one in solid. Right. So now you see the ring is on there now. It's around the fan. The fan's good, so it's nice and tight in there, okay? Now we're just going to put the shield, the guard back on. We've got a big old guard thing. That will sit above there. That will fit with these screwdrivers. So again, sometimes the best way to do a screwdriver is hold the finger like that, hold it in your hand, so then you aim it up. Otherwise it's bloody awkward, especially when you're in a horrible position where you're really only one-handed. Alright, as you can see there, the fan guard is now back on there, so that's perfect. So that's all done now, it's all screwed in, it's all nicely snug and secure. That's like the Brinks mail, well, it's not a great comparison, but alright, give your oven a wash as well. I'll tell you, it's a horrible job. Like I said, it's not great fun, but that will save you dollar bill. I'm going to turn it on now just to see it go nice and hot, right? Right, after all that, we turn the cooker back on. Oven, red light. Can you hear that buzzing noise? That's a good sound. There you go. Already that light, banging light again. You can feel the heat coming off there again. It's a pleasure to have that heat coming again, you know. Especially winter's around the corner.